And now I want to talk about the action feature. So it was built based on the experience of my B2B marketing agency, where we work with clients as per service to help them get visible inside of AI. And me personally, I'm tired of different myths around AI, geo, etc. It became kind of be sure that actions suggested there practical and really the actions that can help you get visible for the prompts you track. So how to generate actions, you go to your prompts tab and you can see that for some prompts, you will see boost prompts button. You can just click those and the new cluster will be added to cluster actions and the task will be generated. And I want to emphasize your attention that all those actions are generated per cluster, because cluster, it's more like the direction a service you want to promote, and prompts are just different variations. The users can ask for that service and just different variations. So that's why our tags are per cluster, but basically doing those actions will get you visible for all the prompts in that cluster. So we have different cluster actions here, like publishing a YouTube video, because YouTube videos are cited, publishing an article on your website, and you can see the details. It suggests you the title, the structure to use, etc., etc., etc. We also here have just a task for you to use free platforms to publish articles like LinkedIn articles or Medium. To do that, you can also do publisher outreach. So our system detects different pages that are cited for the prompts you track, and you basically have to go and try to put your brand name on those pages. Just find the editor or owner, reach out to them and ask to include your company here. Some of those might ask you to pay money for that or to exchange, but it's definitely worth doing that because those pages are already cited and AI already makes their answers from those pages. So this is basically the first task you want to immediately execute. We also have community replies. So for example, if there are like some Reddit threads for that prompt, there are like no Reddit threads, but if they are, you will see the link to specific subreddits that gets mentioned. And again, there are like lots of myths to just spam Reddit and put your brand name everywhere. You don't really have to do that. You only have to put your brand name on those subreddits that get cited for specific prompts you want to be visible for, which is will not take a lot of your time, but will get you the results you want. We also have guest post feature. So basically in publisher outreach, you can reach out to pages. The majority of those won't answer you. You still want to win those prompts. And basically what you're doing is called digital PR or guest posts in more like but it's publishing different listicles on third-party websites to increase the number of brand name mentions, but make sure to write really high-quality articles on high-quality websites, because your task here is to make sure the most amount of those third-party articles are ranking on the first page of Google. And our system, partnering with Collaborator Pro, which is a platform where you can easily go and purchase an article on different websites. It already suggests you different websites you should be publishing articles on, which have great domain rank, they have website traffic, and when you will publish an article there, it should be ranking really high and get cited by AI for you to influence those commercial prompts. So basically, all of those tasks are around listicles and commercial queries the AI uses to search for vendors, those prompts you are tracking. So basically just doing all of that will definitely improve your position. So please just do it. We also have another part, which is foundation tasks. So foundation tasks are more like brand level tasks, which you're like technical SEO basics, which get checked. If those are green, everything is great. If they are not, you will have a task generated on how to fix that. But we also have a task for your website content. So it suggests you different commercial pages to create on your website to target very specific ICPs and specific services to target very narrow prompts overall for your service company. You can also use those as ideas for your blog articles, etc., to help you get cited in more like commercial queries. And we also analyze overall your presence inside of AI, because the one thing is to get found by AI. The other thing is to make sure AI really recommends your company to a user. So we analyze your brand description across the web and suggest you optimize brand description with different facts, proof points about your brand, to make you look much more credible and for you to get cited more often and recommended to LLM users.